I purchased this white noise machine off of Amazon, and I have to say I love it. It's really small and not intrusive in the home, and it works really well. So as you can see, it has different settings. Here's the power button, here's a timer, there's a night light. You can also play different things on here as well. So that's the next, that's the previous, volume up and volume down. So for the white noise, I just turn it on, and as you can see, it plays this very soft and subtle white noise, which really helps me to sleep better. And overall, I just really like it because it's really not intrusive in a bedroom. It's so tiny, yet it works so well.